Hey everyone, Scott Hansen here from NFL Red Zone. And before we get to every touchdown from every game, we need to go to the Quad Box, to Los Angeles, California, Florida, Colorado, and Indonesia, where the beautiful, dark, twisted fantasy year 9 is about to begin. What up, boys? We're back. We're back. You already know I'm fired up for the season, but I have a question for y'all. Are you ready for your fantasy football season? And that's rhetorical because I already know the answer. It's no. Now, the reason I know this is because you haven't had your draft yet. And the reason I know that is because you haven't received your draft order yet, which is where Uncle Scott comes in. You see, fellas, I was given your names. And names that look like they're pulled right out of Cards Against Humanity or some nonsense. And I was asked to randomize your draft order. So I got all 12 of the names. We're going to reveal them. I'm going to amend some of the names because I'm not getting this video edited and someone posting something as if I said some of this stuff on social media here. All right, I got to make one adjustment here. The computer randomized these, by the way. I took all 12 of your names, the team names, and your actual names, and I'm going to reveal them. And I'd like to do it a little kind of a fun way here. What I like to do is reveal 11 through 2. Hold on, stand by. The computer's kind of freaking out here. I want to reveal 11 to 2. And then when we get to that point, we're going to have 2 names left over. One of them's the 1, one of them's the 12. And that way it kind of builds, or it keeps the tension all the way throughout the reveal show. All right, we ready? We ready? All right, here we go, boys. Again, just for you guys. Don't be editing this video and acting like I'm saying some of this stuff. The 12th pick for beautiful... No, excuse me. I just said I was going to go with 11 through 2. Pay attention. Follow your own rules, Hansen. The 11th pick for Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy Year 9 goes to Tucker. Tucker, you're at 11. The 10th pick goes to Collection of Vintage Calculators, Mariko. Mariko, is that how you say it? You're at 10. The 9th pick, Uninterrupted Bread Zone. I like it. Creative. Alex, you're at 9. The 8th pick will be made by Autistic for Heavy Machinery, Devin. The 7th pick, this one got me, I don't know why. This special animal eats people. Cameron, you're at 7. Which animal was it? There was a lizard icon. Are we talking about a Komodo dragon? What are we talking about? Or is that like a line from Game of Thrones and I don't know it? Anyways, whatever. The 6th pick will be made by the Kunderthunts. Corn. Come on, Corn. You're at 6. The 5th pick, the reigning champion, Scrotal Scourge, Everett. You landed the 5th pick. The 4th selection goes to... I'm Scott Hansen with Dateline NBC. I see what you did there, Joey. By the way, I've posted a video from Chris Hansen from Dateline NBC that you can see on my old socials and stuff like that. But yeah, different guy. Different spelling of Hansen, as a matter of fact. Joey, you're at 4. The 3rd pick goes to clean, crisp, concise Scott Handsome Bryce. You're at 3. All right, speaking of 3, we got 3 names remaining. The 1, the 2, and the 12 are still to be revealed. The 2nd pick, another one here. The 2nd pick will be made by the Hanson Mega Dollars, Ben. Come on, Ben. Come on, Ben. You're trying to get me to say this on camera. Come on. The Hanson Megas, let's just call them. You're at 2. Okay. And that leaves over, alphabetically, it leaves over Jermaine and Steven. Jermaine and Steven. One of you's the 1, one of you's the 12. So here we go. The first pick for Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy Year 9, 2022, goes to Swippowy Sleeper Steam Jermaine. You got the number 1 pick, big boy. That means my Kevin's, Steven, you're at 12. Jermaine, enjoy the first pick. Don't choke it. All right, fellas, that's it. I hope you got this message all the way in Florida, Colorado, Indonesia. Much respect. Thanks for being big NFL Red Zone fans. You just, look, have an awesome draft. I don't need to tell you that. It's the best night of the year. Stack them lineups and come see Uncle Scott week 1 for the Octobox and the Witching Hour, all wrapped up in 7 hours of beautiful, dark, twisted fantasy. See you, boys.